Hey everyone, let's talk about Soshie sintra.ai social media tool. It is designed to make your online life easier and more effective. Soshie creates high quality, on brand social media content tailored just for you. It also helps you come up with fresh ideas, saving you tons of time staring at a blank screen. Soshie revamps your social media strategy, pointing out ways to improve your reach and engagements. It even helps you design eye catching profiles that grab attention. Plus, Soshi keeps you in the know about the latest trends so you're always creating content that's relevant and engaging. It comes with a bunch of handy tools too, like a scriptwriter for Reels and TikTok, a trend finder, and generators for different platforms. Overall, if you are serious about making bigger splash on social media and want to save time and effort, Soshi is worth checking out. It is about creating great content, planning effectively, and staying on top of the trends, and Soshi helps you do all of that.